In this tutorial, we will be exploring the wonderful world of while loops in Node.js JavaScript. Even if you've never programmed before, don't worry, we will take it slow and steady. So, what's going on in this code? We first declare a variable I and set it to 0. Then, we create a while loop. This loop will continue to execute as long as the condition I less than 5 is true. Inside this loop, we print out the current value of I and then increment I by 1. When I reaches 5, the condition I less than 5 becomes false and the loop stops. As you can see, the loop executes 5 times. Each time, it prints the current value of I, which goes from 0 to 4. Now, you may be wondering, what's the difference between a for loop and a while loop? A for loop is more compact and includes the initialization, condition, and increment/decrement in the same line. However, a while loop is more flexible. You can use while when the number of iterations is not known ahead of time. As you can see, the output of the for loop is identical to that of the while loop. Now, let's look at another common use of while loop, reading user input until a certain condition is met. Here, we have an array input simulating user input. The while loop continues to read and print the input until it encounters the input done. As you can see, the loop stops when the input is done. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the while loop in Node.js JavaScript. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't forget to write your own loops and see how they work. Happy coding!